Здравствуйте, здравствуйте. Today we are going to talk about prepositions v and na. I promised you recently that we are going to talk about this, and this topic is really interesting. I remember once my student said, I'm not sure if I'm на кухне or в кухне. So I hope today this video will help you to distinguish these two prepositions and understand the usage of them. So prepositions v and na are used together with the prepositional case or with the accusative case. And preposition v means in or at. And preposition na means on or at. We use preposition v if we want to say inside something. For example, в школе, в комнате. And we use preposition na if we want to say on something. For example, на столе, на полке. So if we are inside the building, we will use preposition в. For example, в квартире, в комнате, в здании. But here are some exceptions. There are some words that should be used with preposition na. Even if we are inside, these words are exceptions. That's why we should use preposition на here. На фабрике, на заводе, на станции, на вокзале, на почте, на стадионе. The next very interesting thing is that if you are driving a transport, for example, if you are driving a car, a taxi, or a bus, you should say ехать на машине, на такси, на автобусе. But if you do something inside the transport, for example, I'm reading the book in the car, I'm watching a video in the taxi. In this case, you have to use preposition в. Сидеть or читать в машине, в такси, в автобусе. The next very interesting thing goes with verb to play, играть. If you play sports, you have to use preposition в. Играть в футбол, играть в баскетбол, играть в хоккей. But if you play any musical instrument, then you have to use preposition на. Играть на гитаре, играть на скрипке, играть на фортепиано. And if we are in the country, in the city, in the village, we have to use preposition в. В стране, в городе, в деревне. But on the island, на острове. The next very interesting thing is that if we are resting on the shore or on the nature, we will say на море, на пляже, на озере, на природе. But if we are inside the water, we will say в море, в озере, в реке, for example, because we are inside the water. Also, we use preposition в together with days of the week. So on Saturday, on Monday, on Wednesday, in Russian will be в субботу, в понедельник, в среду. And we use preposition на if we want to say on the north, on the east, on the south, and on the west. In Russian it sounds like на севере, на востоке, на юге, and на западе. Also, we use preposition в when we talk about time. For example, в 15:30, в 6 часов. Preposition v will be also used if we want to say at noon or at midnight. In Russian it will be в полночь, в полдень. And now let's talk about preposition на. We will use preposition на in case if we want to say on the street, on the square, for example, на улице, на проспекте, на бульваре, на площади. But here is one more exception. Word переулок will be used together with preposition в переулке. And preposition v is also used with years and months. So if we want to say in 2020 or in 2022, for example, we will use preposition v. And also preposition v will be used together with months. For example, в марте, в мае, в апреле. And preposition на will be used when we talk about performances and entertainment events, such as на балете, на экскурсии, на концерте, and so on. And also we will use preposition на if we talk about activities. На работе, на учебе, на экзамене, на уроке. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and tell me please if you understand this topic. I would really like to know your opinion about this video and about this topic in general. If you wish to book a lesson, you can freely email us. You can see the email here, or you can open the description and check the email there. So спасибо, всего хорошего, пока-пока.